Good morning. In this video session, we are going to discuss about datagram networks and virtual circuit networks. Packet switching, a small introduction about packet switching. Then datagram networks, details about datagram network and its process. Virtual circuit networks, details about virtual network and its process. Datagram versus virtual, the differentiation between the datagram and virtual networks. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this session. First, packet switching. Packet switching transmits data across digital networks by breaking it down into blocks or packets for more efficient transfer using various network devices. Packet switching is the transfer of small pieces of data across various networks. These data chunks or packets allow for faster, more efficient data transfer. Often, when a user sends a file across a network, it gets transferred in smaller data packets, not in one piece. For example, a 3 MB file will be divided into packets, each with a packet header that includes the original origin IP address and destination IP address, the number of packets in the entire data file, the sequence number. Types of packet switching. The packet switching network is classified into two categories. One is datagram networks and virtual circuit networks. Datagram networks. Datagram refers to the smallest unit via which data is transmitted. Datagrams are data packets which contain adequate header information used for data transfer. In datagram network, each packet is treated independently. These packets are referred to as datagrams. Datagram switching is done at the network layer. Here the switching devices are routers. Each datagram contains a header with source address, destination address and sequence number. Intermediate nodes uses the destination address to forward the datagrams to the right destination. In these networks, no prior resource allocation is to be done the individual packets. Since the datagrams are treated as independent units, no dedicated path is fixed for data transfer, so it is called as connectionless network. In datagram networks, resources are allocated on demand on first come first served FCFS basis. When a packet arrives at a router, the packet must wait if there are other packets being processed irrespective of its source or destination. Datagram communication is generally guided by the User Datagram Protocol or UDP. So this is the UDP network and router connected with each and every packets of data. Advantages. Datagrams can contain the full destination address router rather than using some numbers. It is efficient than the circuit switching networks. There is no setup phase required for the datagram circuits. Disadvantages. The unpredictable nature of the flow of the traffic makes it difficult to design the datagram networks. Virtual circuit networks. In the next session, we are going to discuss about the virtual circuit networks.